So I decided that I wanted to have a shelf in my bathroom over my toilet for some extra storage. I went online, found some really cute shelves that I liked. The problem with them is that they have pre-set mounts on them with brackets. They come with their own little screws and a set distance. And in order for me to center my shelf over my toilet, those preset shelves are not going to match the studs in my wall. And it's important to mount that shelf to the studs in my wall so it doesn't pull off the wall. And so in order to do that, we're going to build our own shelf where we can center it over the toilet and mount it into the studs in the wall for security. And we've come up with one solution for that. So we picked a pretty knotty white pine to use on our shelves, one with a lot of kind of natural grain and character to the wood, which I think is really pretty with the knots and all that coloring in it. So now that the shelves are cut to the length that we want, I'm going to arrange them how I want them to look when they're on the wall. And this one, this is going to be against the wall, so when it's hanging you're going to see that. And then this is the inside of it. Top and the bottom. So we put the top and the bottom and then the two sides. We'll use some wood glue on these and some screws to hold this all together. Just like that. These are going to be so pretty. So we applied a little glue, pre-drilled the holes for the screws, getting ready to attach it to the shelf. Two shelves built, ready for mounting, but the next step will be sanding them. Hi, welcome back. So now we have our shelves constructed, stained, our hardware put together and painted. Now we are going to mount it to the wall. Nice and secure. Well, here we have it. Our shelf built, stained, our hardware for our towel rack put together, mounted to the wall, into the studs. So this thing is solid. It's not going anywhere. We have all this extra storage for us and our towel rack. Well, here we are. Second shelf built, solid in the wall, mounted on the stud, and my nice towel bar all attached. This is not going anywhere, folks. And then I have my nice little towel rack and all my storage.